as the homeowner has decided that they're going to book you for a listing appointment, they will have almost lost control of that property, because I'm going to turn you into or teach you how to be the best of the best of the best. So how are we going to accomplish this? Well, when you cut through everything, there's going to be 5 areas we're going to work on. The first area is we're going to work on lead generation and lead conversion. And I'm going to tell you there's a difference between the two. The second thing is once I teach you that lead conversion, we're going to work on the listing appointment process. And I'm going to teach you how, if you want to, you are going to walk in on that listing appointment and you're going to take that thing if you choose to take it. Soon as the homeowner has decided that they're going to book you for a listing appointment, they will have almost lost control of that property, because I'm going to turn you into or teach you how to be the best of the best of the best. The third area we're going to work on is attitude and time management. And I'm probably going to talk about attitude first. Then the fourth area is going to be objection handling and close. But you know, in order to get the most out of the next 4 days together, you got to open your mind. You have to be optimistic about the next 4 days. You got to open your mind up to some new ideas and some new challenges. And if you do that with me, gang, I'm going to teach you how to list more properties for sale. I'm going to teach you how to do it in less time. And when you're doing more business in less time, I promise you, you're going to have more fun. So if you're ready, I'm ready. Let's open those manuals. I'm going to have to play with the PowerPoint here for a second, and hopefully I get this down right. And let's get started. Let's get started. Please subscribe below to receive all the videos and let us know what you think. We'd love to hear from you. I'm Mark Leader. See you soon.